up my thumbnail, bitches.
Drink, think deeply as I sink. Finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the early hours. Stone cold inside. Banging drop stanzas, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people.
Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to a brand new video, every gamer ever. Oh man, I can't stand that every YouTuber, it's like, imagine if the news, welcome back to your news at 6, we're back today with a brand new news broadcast. Or every movie actor, welcome back to another movie, I'm in another movie, acting another movie, welcome back. Brand new video. He just says he's gonna break his Senate off his helmet because he has to listen to me. Welcome back, boys and girls, to a brand new video. Your boy Snowcat, yo 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 and yo. Anyways, we are here. Oh, ooh, see guys, Amber, you don't gun it, you break. Anyways, this man here, this old man, it's his birthday. DSG, yes, he still makes videos. Actually, I still make videos even though no one watches them. yeah. My last video, man, I'm almost close to 800,000 subscribers. I got 20,000 subs in the last little like couple of weeks, and my last video got like 9,000 views. Like that's not even like the new subscribers didn't even see that, you know. So something's wrong with YouTube, but whatever. Anyways, guys, positive vibes here. It's this man's birthday. He's turning the big 3-1 today, and then I'm next in June, man. We'll be doing this again. So don't feel too bad. I'm right there with you. No, walkers and canes and stuff are next, right? We have to like make mods to put canes on the bikes. Yeah, I'm still young and 30. You're old and 31. So guys, anyways, long story short, we're gonna go meet some people at the spot. My favorite spot. You guys always see it in my videos. You guys always ask where it is. It's Crescent Hill. I told everyone hopefully the 2nd Street intersection, but we'll see if anyone listens to that, because last year everyone was everywhere, so we have to go along up and down Crescent Hill and collect some people. But we're off to do that, and then we're gonna go watch the France Grand Prix for MotoGP. And the thing is, I haven't been on Instagram all day, so I don't know a thing. I don't know a thing this time, so I'm super stoked to watch it. And we'll have some beers, say some birthday songs, and that's about it. So we'll see you guys in a minute after this car turns into me, I bet. Yay! DSG, you're famous! People actually care about you. What's this guy do? Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah! Oh, you're parking over there? Oh yeah, fuck caddy, I'm gonna park over here. Oh, this is here too! Gay. Oh.
What's going on, buddy?
Yo, yo, yo! No Harley today!
No, sir. Good to see you, man.
You got this one?
That's the one.
Nice. How's it going, man? Good to see you again. How's it going, guys? Good to see you again. I'm gonna take my lid off here. Alright guys, this is the lineup. Everyone came out for DSG's birthday. We're gonna get some fuel and then we're gonna head out to Half Hitch. The straggler just showed up. That's good. Good timing, good timing. Yo. Hey boys! 2 thumbnails, what do I choose from? The first one I had a nice little gimbal shot. I'm like, thumbnail complete. Oh man, what a turnout for your birthday, hey buddy? Do you feel special? guy's coming in hot. Doesn't even look. Got his earphones on. Didn't even look. That's how you die, Butski. Ooh. I think it shoots slate. Alright guys, so we got the whole crew rolling out to Half Hitched in Cochrane, which is a brewery out there. A good friend of mine, Kyle, owns that, and he hosts us for MotoGP. Any event we want to do, we take the upstairs. So come on out guys, we do this all summer, so please do join us if you're in Cochrane or area or Red Deer, Edmonton, whatever you want. Come on down. Yeah, Ottawa, Japan, all that stuff. Yeah. Oh, that old Porsche or old MG. What is that? I don't know. Triumph. Yes. I love being old, man. Yeah. I make my girl laugh because the other day she was testing. Okay, so I installed a new lock for her, so she was testing the door, so she opened and closed it. I'm like, oh, you missed a great opportunity. She's like what? I'm like, I opened it, get off my lawn, closed it. We got the whole crew. Everyone's here, nice. So everyone needs gas, we let them get gas quickly.
What up?
Yo. Got some good footage there. Oh man, it's good. Roll it. Oh my. Okie dokie. We are rolling deep right now. Guys, see, I kind of have a happy, fun video in Calgary because blue car cuts off the Jeep. Like, welcome to Calgary, man. Like, the drivers here are literally so shit. Like, literally. Female. No, it's a guy. And he's white. What? Just goes to show, man, bad drivers are. I was going for female Asian, but that's kind of bad. Look at that crew. Look at that crew. We're rolling in deep. This is Cochrane, Alberta. I can't even talk. Cochrane of Alberta. I can't even talk, guys. This is Cochrane of Alberta, and we can see the brewery from this road. If I point it out to you guys, the GoPro is gonna look tiny as hell because that's the way GoPros work. This car's really close, but it looks far away. But let's see. There it is, right there. It's a green roof with that big silo on the outside for all the beer stuff they do. That is where we're going. So if I had like a super motard, great place to stop in the truck runoff space. Of all the spaces, they get a big semi on your butt. Okay. Logic, man. What about here? What about here? If I had a motard, we could wrap down there, but unfortunately. Oh, dude, one day we will. One day we'll drink a lot there and try and get up the hill. Yeah. Because they're not actually on the road, right? So it's not drunk driving. Drunk off-roading. All right, boys and girls, here's Half Hitched. You've seen it before in my videos, but we're here again. This is our little Sunday thing we do every MotoGP, but today's a little more special because we got an old man with us. Oh, is a Super Duke here? What? Yeah, well, you guys can all come in behind here. Okay, I'm going upstairs, boys. Oh, what an idiot. What an idiot. Did I record that? Oh, and the chick fell too. The dude fell. You okay? You're good? Yeah, he's good. Yeah, the dog was pulling. Okay. Man, was I recording all that? I was. So this dumbass here almost drove into a car because he wasn't paying attention, and the dog pulled that kid off the bike. What a what a clip. What a clip. All right, boys and girls, that was the end of the meetup. We had our foods, our beers, our birthday song, which I think I have on video. I can insert that clip.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Austin. Happy birthday to you.
And it was a great ride, meeting everyone again, and old friends and new friends. Thanks for coming out. And until the next video, I think that is it for that one. Alright guys, peace. Snowcat out.